we have to keep trudging on, keep working hard towards doing something and towards being something.
आपकी ज़िंदगी में अवार्ड्स की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है? वो किस तरह के अवार्ड्स आप हासिल करना चाहेंगी ज़िंदगी में?
मेरे ज़िंदगी में अवार्ड्स ऑनेस्टली इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि हम सब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और जस्ट टू बी अराउंड पीपल हु आर अचीवर्स एंड जस्ट टू बी on the same platform as them, whether it's for acting, whether it's even for fashion, whether even if it's for any sort of achievement like Women of Earth, it's important क्योंकि हम सब जिंदगी में रिकग्निशन के लिए और इतना मेहनत करते हैं कि अगर हमें वो रिकग्निशन मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो इट्स जस्ट अ वैलिडेशन कि हमने ज़िंदगी के साथ हमारी अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ कुछ अच्छा किया है.
I'd like to ask you that as an independent woman, what advice, what message do you like to give to other women?
As an independent woman, be independent. Be yourself. और बहुत सारे ऐसे, स्पेशली हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमें they hold us back. पर हमें उसके बारे में ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं चाहिए. We have to keep trudging on, keep working hard towards doing something and towards being something more. And especially in our industry, in the media, in our industry, whether it's, I mean, I think Tanya, you'll be the best person to say this. To be a woman in our industry, to be a journalist, to be an actress, to be someone who's heading a makeup brand or a beauty brand, there are always people who try to dissuade you or try to make you feel like you're not intelligent or focused enough. Oh, you're a mother. Will you be able to focus on your job? Is that, I mean, yeah. Oh, you're a girl. Are you PMSing? Is that why you're behaving like this? I can get upset about somebody not doing their job. So a lot of these questions come to and that's very judgmental. So ignore that for the most part and prove yourself, because eventually these judgments will go away if you do not get affected by it.
I love your role in the movie, Aisha.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to know, how did you prepare for the role?
I shopped a lot. Okay. I'm just joking. That's a joke. It's a joke, guys. Please don't take that seriously, okay? No, Aisha is based on a book by Jane Austen called Emma. And it is one of my favorite books. It's about a spoiled brat who doesn't do anything with her life and thinks it's a society brat who discovers herself. It's a coming-of-age story. And at the age of 23 when I did that film, it was a perfect film to teach me what actually matters in life. And that's love. Love makes the world go round.
And Sonam, which woman inspires you and why?
Which woman inspires me? Well, honestly, I know it's a very cliche answer, but I saw the reruns of the Oscars last night, okay? And there was this amazing woman called Meryl Streep who was sitting there and clapping and beaming for each and every person who won, and her humility just shone through. And she definitely is a living legend. She's an actor. Besides being an artist, she also has a successful marriage in the film industry. That's unheard of in India and abroad. And I think that's brilliant. So she's a wife, she's a mother, and she is a professional who has won the most amount of Oscars and been nominated the most amounts of time. And she is brilliant at what she does. And so yesterday I just sat down and I said, well, I think Meryl Streep is my hero. And she's one of them. And then there's Judi Dench, and there's Kate Blanchett, and then there's Julianne Moore. There's everybody. There are all these people abroad who've done such amazing work. And we look at the West and we get inspired by them. And we look at all the bad things, that they bring in. But we should stick to our Indian culture and actually take the best from them. Discipline, being on time, professionalism, And I think that's what matters. I pride myself on the fact that I'm always on time. And I think that's one of those things that I did learn from studying abroad. And it's something that India prides itself on. So we call it Indian Standard Time, no? Not being on time. And for me, that's something that we shouldn't laugh about. We should, we have to respect everybody's time and everybody's, professionalism and stuff like that. So yeah, I think right now, I look at Meryl Streep and I'm like, I want to be that person. And I like the unity that happens over there. I hope even in our industry, there will be more unity, and I hope to be clapping, even if I'm nominated, at the award functions for everybody else who's nominated, and be happy for them that they're achieving what they are achieving, because there's space for everybody. So yeah.